Hello, my name is Dr. Mitzi Fullwood. I'm a faculty member here at Broward College. Today we're going to learn how to find the correlation coefficient R given a table of information and using Excel. We are going to compare the population of the United States with the grocery retail sales in the United States. First, you need to go into Excel and you need to put in two columns with your data values. You should have this done already from the previous video. Once you have done that, you go under More Functions and Statistical Data. Okay, before you do that, you should have a cell highlighted down here. Okay, so go under More Functions, Statistical Data, and go down to Correlation. It's abbreviated. Once you have done that, Array 1 appears, and you should highlight all of Array 1. That's your first column. Then click on Array 2 and highlight all the value points in Array 2. Once you have done that, push OK, and there is your correlation coefficient R. The correlation coefficient is 0.99439491. What does that mean? That means that there appears to be a strong positive relationship between the population of the United States and the grocery retail sales in the United States. If you feel you need further assistance with this process, please contact your instructor via D2L email or proceed to the Mathematics Tutoring Lab, which is open 7 days a week. Thank you and good luck.